Now that you guys have answered all of the questions, let's look at let's check your work and make sure you got it right. So if I look at the first data graph, and it's the one about the ice cream flavors, their favorite flavor of ice cream, they could choose chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. So let's look what the first graders responded. How many first graders responded to the survey? So in this one, you got to count up all the ice cream cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So your answer should be 18. 18 first graders responded to the survey. Number 2, how do you know? Well, we counted all of the ice cream cones and there were 18 ice cream cones, so that's how we know that 18 first graders responded to the survey. Number 3, how many more students like vanilla than strawberry? When I see the words how many more, I know I need to compare, which means that I need to subtract. So if I go up here, I can look and I can even draw my lines from my vanilla to my strawberry, and I can see, oh, right over here, I have 2 more vanilla than strawberry. So I know there were 8 vanilla and 6 strawberry. So 8 minus 6 equals 2 because these two don't have a partner. Number 4, how many fewer students like chocolate than vanilla? How many fewer you need to subtract again? So again, I can make my line connecting the chocolate to vanilla. I can make a line. And I know, oh, fewer. Oh, these up here are missing, the ones that are down here. So I know there are 4 missing. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. 4 fewer students like chocolate than vanilla. Okay, let's look at this survey about their favorite sports. So we have basketball, soccer, and baseball. Which sport do students like most? So I can look over here, I can think of which one has the biggest number, and I know that soccer is the sport that students like most because that has the most votes. It has 16 votes, and that is more than 11 and 3. So they like soccer the most. Which sport do students like the least? Ooh, which one has the littlest amount of votes? And that would be basketball. They only have 3 votes. How many more? Oh, I see how many more again. So I know that I need to subtract. So how many more students liked soccer than baseball? So I need to subtract soccer from baseball. So I did 16 minus 11 and I got 5. So 5 more students like soccer than they like baseball. How many fewer students like basketball than baseball? So again, I see the words how many fewer, so that means I need to compare again, which means I need to subtract. I need to subtract the bigger number first. So basketball actually only has 3, so I need to do baseball first. I did 11 minus 3 is 11 like baseball and only 3 like basketball. So I did 11 minus 3, and my answer was 8. So 8 fewer students like baseball than they do like basketball than baseball. And then how do you know? Well, I know it's 11 because only 3 like basketball and 11 like baseball. So I subtracted 11 minus 3 to get 8. So remember, when I see the words how many more or how many fewer, I know I need to compare, which means I need to subtract. Let's go back up here to do you have a brother? So when we did this one, either yes, you have a brother or no, you do not. So how many people have a brother? I'm going to go up here and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people have a brother. How many people do not have a brother? Let's count. For no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 people do not have a brother. How many people answered the survey? So what you could do is you could count them all together, or you could just do 6 plus 13. Either way, you would get 19. 19 people answered this survey. And then the last one that we are going to do today is, do you have blue eyes, brown eyes, or green eyes? So how many people answered the survey? So what we had to do is we had to count them all. And what I did is I counted the groups of 5 first. So I said 5, 10, 15. Then I counted by ones. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 people answered the survey. How many students have blue eyes? So I had to go in the blue eyes. I needed to count 5, 6, 7. 7 people have blue eyes. How many students have brown eyes? So I'm going to go up into the brown eyes and I'm going to count 5, 10, 11, 12. So 12 people have brown eyes. How many students have green eyes? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. 3 students have green eyes. How many students have blue or green eyes? Oh, I can go and I'm going to look at the blue and the green. I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 people have blue or green eyes. And how do you know? Well, I added or counted the blue and the green eyes all together. So 7 plus 3 equals 10.